High-pressure cleaning is a highly effective method of removing hard-to-shift substances from a range of surfaces, often using water alone. It is a versatile, accurate and efficient means of cleaning, and one that can greatly facilitate difficult tasks such as removing graffiti from walls and washing away concrete from surfaces. High-pressure cleaning can be classified into cold water cleaning, hot water cleaning. The equipment used varies from the application of the work needed to be done. Cold water pressure washing is an abrasive cleaning method that removes the top layer of the dirt, grease, spray-painted walls. It is not as effective as hot water, but for an application that does not require much deep cleaning, cold water pressure washing works best. Hot water pressure washing is very popular and the most effective pressure washing method. It removes heavy-duty materials off surfaces and provides a clean finish in less time. Steam cleaning is a cleaning process that involves using low-pressure steam to remove soluble substances from surfaces. This technique is typically used as a method of surface preparation before the application of paints or coatings. Steam cleaning is especially effective in removing contaminants such as dirt, oil, grease and other soluble substances. Visit our website at www.sealmech.com for more information.